What is search engine marketing? Let's use the Sempo.org website, the Search Engine Marketing Professional Organization site, to actually look up search engine marketing. I'm going to start by clicking on the Learning Center, go down to the SEM glossary, come over here and scroll down quickly to the S's, and notice that search engine marketing is very close to search engine optimization. Let's go ahead and read the definition of search engine marketing. Search engine marketing, the act of marketing a website via search engines, whether this be improving rank in organic listings, purchasing paid listings, or a combination of these and other search engine related activities. Do note this, improving the rank in organic listings. You might be asking yourself, well, wait a minute. I thought that was the domain of search engine optimization right here. Well, it is. Search engine optimization can be a part of search engine marketing, along with all kinds of other forms of advertising. Let's run over to one of the most popular aspects of search engine marketing, and that is paid listings. Paid listings that search engines sell to advertisers, usually through paid placement or paid inclusion programs. We'll talk about this in a future movie. Now let's jump over to Google, and let's take a look at something. I'm going to paste into Google a very popular search term out there, digital cameras. Let's go ahead and conduct a search query for this. This time we're going to focus right up here. This is the domain of paid placement. And these Google sponsored links here and here come from Google's AdWords program, their AdWords system, or advertising on the web. Unlike down here in the organic, you're paying for placement here. In fact, let me define this briefly. What's really interesting about Dell, Kodak, Smarter.com, and all the advertisers over on the right is that all these ads that you're looking at right this second and tens of millions of other people out there on the internet are free. Yes, you heard that right. These are absolutely free, all these ads. Where the money comes into play is this. If I click on this link, Deals on Digital Cameras, that's when Dell is actually charged for my click. So these ads, these sponsored Google AdWords ads, are also known as pay-per-click or PPC. Whenever I click, someone's going to pay for it. In this case, it's Dell. Let's take a look at another site where some search engine marketing advertising is taking place. For news, let's jump over to one of my favorite sites, and that is CNN.com. Notice right off the bat, we have an ad that's playing up here, a classic banner ad. And if I refresh the page a couple times, we may actually see this ad swap out with another advertiser's ad. Let's just wait a second here and see what happens as the page refreshes. Okay, now that the page has refreshed, we can see that Nextag has a banner ad here. Let's now move over to another site, and we'll go over to City Search. And right now, I'm getting kind of hungry. So here on City Search, I think I would like to check out a pizza place. So let's go ahead and type in pizza in my zip code and do a quick search. And the moment I do that, I get an ad for an Italian restaurant in the Pacific Palisades of Southern California that wants my business for pizza delivery, I'm sure. And if we scroll down here, we can see over on the left a tower ad. Yet again, another aspect of search engine marketing. Let's jump over to yet another site to see how this is all working. And this time we'll go to a completely different site, uboat.net. Everything you ever wanted to know about the U-boats and the U-boat wars from the Second World War. Notice over here on the right-hand side, there's some books that I can actually purchase, book of the week actually, about U-boat wars. And this is an affiliate ad, meaning uboat.net has an affiliation with Amazon. And every time I click on a book that they're offering right here, and if I purchase a book over on Amazon, uboat.net gets a small percentage. Way at the bottom, there's a couple more ads that are also probably affiliate ads, but very, very, very close to the bottom. I'd like to point out to you this little link down here, Ads by Google. These ads right here for U.S. Navy ships and World War II memorial gifts are coming from Google's AdSense program, meaning other advertisers have cut a deal basically with Google and U-Boat.net, and they're running ads here. And anytime a searcher clicks on this link, the people who own U-Boat.net get a small percentage of that click-through. Let's go back up to favorites. And who's actually doing some pay-per-click and paid placement out there? Well, LookSmart has a program, and you can read all about it on their website. We can also check out Yahoo. They have a terrific program. This used to actually be called Overture. It's now Yahoo Search Marketing. And you can learn about who their partners are in paid placement. For instance, at the time of this video, MSN, AltaVista, Yahoo of course, CNN, and InfoSpace. We can run over real quick to Google and check out Google's program here. In fact, Google's kind of unique because over here on Google's page, there is the Google AdWords program, and you can see they're talking about their AdWords here. But over on the right is Google AdSense. And over here is a little example of a ad on a partner site, and this is the affiliate ad. And last but not least, we have a new kid on the block. Yet this is a very big kid, actually. And this new kid on the block just happens to be MSN. The Microsoft Ad Center advertising system should be online very, very soon at the time of this recording. And what's interesting about this is I can actually go right in here, and if I wanted to actually design, say, a banner ad here on MSN, I can choose, say, a dimension like this and search. And MSN Advertising will actually help me design my very own banner ad for their system with dimensions and information about Flash and all kinds of cool stuff. So there it is. This is an example of a banner ad or a tower ad right here that MSN will help me do. So this is basically search engine marketing with all its different forms, and keep in mind that search engine optimization can actually be a part of this.